Many desire an inspired life, but only a few live it. What if you could experience it every day? Stay energized, live elated, and feel enthralled. With 101 activities. Experience something that elates you. Discover serenity. Inspire your soul. Spend time in the midst of tranquility. Glow with the heat. Enjoy conversations with the wind. With something that energizes you. Discover the sports you love. Inspire the winner in you. Stay outdoors. Stay fit. Stay cool with a dip in the pool. Be a master blaster. Learn how to own the field like a champ. Train your body to its athletic peak. Power up your serve. Pedal away with the breeze. Speed ahead without speed limits. Game, set, match. Spike your way to victory. Experience something that enthralls you. Discover a new stage. Inspire the artist in you. Light up the floor. Make your own moves. Spend time alone with millions. Prepare to be the next rock star. Quench your thirst in style. Dazzle your friends with your singing. Create the next masterpiece. Make every celebration a big one. Here, every amenity will inspire you to lead an active lifestyle. With over 101 activities to choose from, it's a place where you will live inspired every day. Presenting Godrej 101. Homes with 101 activities to live inspired every day.